You speak with your tax attorney and he goes, well, we got a federal estate tax problem. So we need life insurance to pay the tax. Because you worked 40 years or so, or whatever, to build this fortune, right? 50% of it disappears. We can prevent that by life insurance.
All right, how does insurance fit into someone's financial plan? So we talked about insurance, life insurance. How does it integrate in? So I was a financial planner for 10 years before I became a professor. Financial planners, they look at all the different aspects: estate planning, retirement, insurance, investing, college funding. How does insurance fit into that scheme of
It
the gentleman?
absolutely is one of the most important components that should be fitted into what you just said. For many reasons. First reason is, what happens if something happens 1 year into your financial plan? You haven't had enough time to build up the assets. Life insurance solves that problem. Then you have you built up everything, you become hugely successful, and then you go, why do I need the life insurance? And that's when you speak with your tax attorney and he goes, well, we got a federal estate tax problem. So we need life insurance to pay the tax. Because you worked 40 years or so, or whatever, to build this fortune, right? 50% of it disappears. We can prevent that by life insurance.
Brilliant.
So it's definitely needed when you're starting off in life. Definitely.
Yeah, especially if you have a family on the way. As soon as you get your first kid, you should be thinking about life insurance, like probably 9 months before you have that, at least, right?
Yeah. And look, depending on your income, it's really inexpensive. You can start off with term insurance. I mean, if you get preferred or super preferred rates, $1 million of term insurance is probably $800 or $900 a year. That's all. Maybe less.